Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza roti. Start by combining 2 cups flour, 1 cup water, 1 tsp salt, and 1 tablespoon oil and mix into a soft dough. Knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until smooth. Let it rest covered for 15 to 30 minutes to relax the gluten, which makes rolling easier and gives a tender texture. Warm up your workspace and dust with flour before rolling so the dough won't stick. Roll each ball into a 6 to 8 inch circle, keeping the edges a bit thicker to hold toppings. Try to maintain even thickness for consistent cooking and a crisp base. If dough springs back, let it rest another 5 minutes and then finish rolling for better shape and texture. Assemble your pizza roti with a thin sauce layer, about 1 cup shredded cheese total across 4 rotis, and moderate toppings to avoid soggy results. Brush a little olive oil on the dough first to create a moisture barrier. Cook on medium-high heat in a skillet or on a griddle for roughly 3 to 5 minutes per side until the crust is golden and the cheese is melted and bubbly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.